Do 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 do. Didn't like. You reckon Disney didn't like Treasure Planet? I think it just didn't do as well as they wanted it to do. It's since become a cult classic. But at the time, I don't think it did the numbers they wanted. Yeah. You know what, chat? Let's open one more. One more. I've got like 6 million packs to open. You guys did enough chaos in the last couple of days. I butchered opening this pack, apparently. Rip the shreds. What a waste, chat. Look, they give you these two things explaining cards, whatever. And they're in every single pack. Like, put them in one or two, not in every single pack. Or, like, don't put them in at all. Like, leave it for people who buy the boxes. Oh my god. Kakamora. I don't know who that is, but that's a cool perspective. It's like, I can feel it coming at me. I will find my way. I will go the distance. Those trees are really pretty. Really pretty. Interesting, the shadow here. What's that little smudge? What is that? Is that like Olympus or something? From Moana? Oh yeah, I can see that. Magic broom. Chat, I watched Fantasia. I think I saw up to Sorcerer Mickey. The old Fantasia. It was so boring. I had to stop it. It was just boring. Could not cope. Louis! That solo music was like, didn't really do anything for me, and then the animation was, I don't know, just weird, most of it. The Mickey was probably the best one I saw out of all of them, but I just couldn't cope. Gizmo! Oh, really? I stopped at the worst bit. You know, aren't they meant to be like Pegasus and that and a whole bunch of other things? Oh well, maybe one day I'll go back. I've been trying to watch as many of the older Disney things as I can. Like my mission is to watch all of them, but I don't know. Orville. Chat, again, another really cool perspective. You don't normally draw this way. Pro artist there. Pluto! They need me to make a card, and I'll make a very rainbow card for them. Ursula. It's called me. John Silver. I know who this is now. I always like it when there's a light behind a character. Rescuers? Wait, who's the rescuers? One of them, I guess. It's the whale. Maui. Love Rescuers is one of my faves. Rescuers was okay. It was okay. It wasn't what I expected, to be honest. I enjoyed it, but towards the end, I kind of lost focus as I was drawing at the same time. And I was kind of like, what's happening? Oh, we got the shiny version. Okay, that's enough of